Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change themes to light mode or dark mode on the Uber app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change to light mode or dark mode on the Uber app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that you want to go ahead and log on to the Uber app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right hand corner. Afterwards, scroll down and then click on Settings. And then from here, you're going to find the option for Appearance. So click on Appearance, and then this is where you can actually change your appearance to light mode or dark mode, or you can use your device settings. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your appearance to light mode or dark mode on the Uber app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.